I'm testing out some rolled fondant today. This is the Bakerpan rolled fondant, and I've seen a lot of people have been buying this, so I decided to try it to see what the colors were like. That is a very good red color. This is the red, and it feels more like the candy clay, like the kind of fondant that has candy clay in it. I don't think that this is that. This looks like it is just regular. This does not have the candy clay, so this is just basically sugar. It's a sugar dough. And this was working. The pink, I did the pink just a minute ago. This was working pretty well in the molds. When you put this in the mold, just make sure it's not too full. And this comes right out of the silicone mold. It makes a cute little flower. It takes the details pretty well. And it's a good red color. This is very orange. So if you need a good true red, this is probably going to work out for you. If you want to make pink with this, I don't know that this would work super well because it's, like I said, it's very orange. So get some white and put a tiny bit in. I am going to do some color mixing videos in a bit, but this is a good, it's a good red color. I don't know that I would use it to mix a lot of other colors with, but we'll try that out. And this did come just in an envelope that it got hot, and it will soften up. So if you get this and it feels like it's soft, just leave it in the package, let it harden up, don't take it out and start using it because it'll just be a mess. So let it solidify, let it cool off, and you'll be good.